Join me as I take on the challenge of simplifying DeFi in just 7 simple steps. Can I make it easy for everyone to understand? DeFi, or decentralized finance, has the potential to revolutionize traditional finance, making it more accessible and transparent for everyone. DeFi can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. The complexity and confusion surrounding it prevent many people from participating. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and decentralized exchanges are just a few terms that might sound like a foreign language to those who are new to the space. People often get discouraged by the steep learning curve and the fear of losing money. The fear of the unknown is a major barrier, and it's hard to know where to start. Many people feel like they need to be experts in finance or technology to understand DeFi. DeFi is constantly evolving, with new platforms and technologies emerging every day. This rapid pace of change can be difficult to keep up with, even for those who are already familiar with the space. The risk of scams and hackers is also a major concern, and it's essential to take the necessary precautions to protect your assets. DeFi is made up of several key components, including wallets, decentralized exchanges, and yield farming. A wallet is essentially a digital storage container for your cryptocurrencies. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, allow you to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a central authority. Yield farming is a way to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies by lending them to others. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the DeFi ecosystem, and understanding how they work is essential to getting started. By breaking down each of these components into simple, easy-to-understand language, we can make DeFi more accessible to everyone. The 7 simple steps to understanding DeFi are designed to help you navigate this complex space with confidence. From setting up your wallet to navigating the world of yield farming, each step is designed to be easy to follow and understand. By following these 7 simple steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a DeFi expert and unlocking the full potential of this exciting new technology. One powerful insight that can significantly enhance your understanding of DeFi is the importance of doing your own research. Don't just take someone else's word for it. Take the time to learn about the different platforms and technologies that make up the DeFi ecosystem. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. It's also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in the space, as DeFi is constantly evolving. By staying informed and doing your own research, you'll be able to navigate the DeFi space with confidence and avoid potential risks. This will also help you identify opportunities and make the most of your investments. The 7 steps to getting started in DeFi are easy to follow and understand, and with the right knowledge, anyone can get started. If you've had any experience with DeFi, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth guides and tutorials on how to get started with DeFi.